take is that littlest sound that sounds so f***ing cool, yeah.
Thomas just fixed his car on Wednesday. It's Saturday now, and we're gonna go out for a ride and see how that goes. Got some iced coffee that I already made, and then we're gonna get some groceries.
Whew.
All right, man.
So happy, man. She's on the road. And this suspension is whack right now too. I don't even know how that goes on the BCs. Bro, this is so much faster than my Acura, bro. Like, it's crazy how much of a difference it is.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously the experience is different because the rear wheel, but even like the speedometer, I look down and I'm already like past go. It's crazy. I bet it feels really fast in the passenger seat. I'll be shook going around those curves.
Especially with that low wall.
My bad, dog.
I know that dude in the car was pissed. He saw this thing come around. He's like, well, it's been good.
It's a good life.
It's been fun.
I think it's good though that like this is my second time. I'm not gonna lie, the first time or the time I hit in front of those kids,
Yeah.
I like low-key didn't expect it to hit sideways like that.
Yeah.
But it's good that this is my second time and I'm both times like I don't react like oh you know what I mean? Like I literally like zone in and try to find the right steering angle.
Right.
So I think it's good that I have that, you know? I'm not gonna be able to whip it like that after I weld the diff though. I'm gonna miss it.
Really?
Yeah, because the welded diff, like the LSD, that like helps you on turns, you know? Like it got the right gear ratio and shit.
Gotcha.
I don't know like the full explanation, but
Yeah.
with the welded diff, it'll do it, but it's gonna be hard and it's also gonna be a little bit like unstable, you know, because it's ready to drift. You know? Yo, that should be having me like, do I got it? Do I got it? She been waiting to open up, man. Woo. This is so fun, bro. I love that. I never parked here, that's why.
Oh, did you want to go out? Yeah, probably like in the early morning, the sun will be over here. And then you'll be looking real good.
Yeah. That'd be a nice ride too in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
You got some coffee.
Yeah.
Damn. That's what it's about.
Let's get out of here.
Just want to see that view.
Woo, that was 218. Almost crashed into a BMW, but otherwise,
that was
had a lot of fun. We at the grocery store right now. Feeling good about ourselves. We got the mask guy over here. Yeah, man, we got our groceries. We got that ground chicken. Now we out here, out in the wilderness. You know, got some weeping willow trees.
My window got smashed.
Yeah.
I don't know if I told you already, but I was thinking about what if the parking garages of the Bronx hired like hooligans to smash people's windows so people would use the garages.
Oh, that's actually a good idea.
Because after they smashed up my car and somebody else's car, 3 people that I see always parked on the road are parked in the garage around my house. Dude, this thing feels good. Like she's clean.
Yeah.
She's happy now. She came to the right owner, you know? They didn't know what to do. Had a ripped intake. Yeah, even that head gasket, bro. Like it had oil leaking through it. Like I already did so much to this car. It's crazy. I wish I could try to do it at home today, bro. I'm really not trying to put like street miles on it though. Like I'm trying to figure out. I was thinking about the other day. I want to like trailer it though. I'm thinking about like, what if I got one of the, you know, the U-Hauls that have the wheels on it and you put the front of the car on it?
Yeah.
What if I just hooked that shit up to the Buick and took it to the track?
Right. Actually, yeah, let me just drive back.
Alright, let me get that. Yeah, how am I gonna get out?
What? Well, you can't park it?
I gotta tighten up that e-brake.
Because I broke it.
Nah, it was already pretty bad.
Word.
I love this car. I can't wait to get sideways in this, bro. I don't mean to be repetitive and shit, but like I'm dead ass. Like whenever you want to use it, like you're good, bro.
Appreciate it. Only thing is, does it have a tire, bro?
Oh yeah.